In this video, I will show and explain to you how to fix network problem in Capcut on PC. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings on Windows, and then you're gonna have to simply go to network and internet and then simply click on VPN. Now the next step is to click on add VPN. So the next step is to open any browser and then search for VPN Gate and then click on the first link, which is this one here. Then you're gonna get redirected to this website where you're gonna have to simply scroll down until you see these VPNs. Now what you're gonna have to do with these VPNs is simply copy this address here, and then you're gonna have to simply go to the VPN connection. So after you click on add VPN, you're gonna have to simply enter here any name, it doesn't matter, and then simply enter the address. Now here where it says VPN type, you're gonna have to select this one here, which is SSTP, and then here where it says username and password, you're gonna have to simply enter VPN and VPN. Now after you do that, so after you add this VPN, click on save, and then you're gonna have to simply click on connect after, and then you can simply open CapCut and then simply click on try again. So basically that's all you have to do in order to fix network problem in Capcut PC. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.